Agape love through Matthew chapter 17, verse 5. A bright cloud overshadowed them, and a voice from the cloud said, "This is my beloved Son, with whom I am well pleased. Listen to him." In the awe-inspiring moment described in Matthew 17:5, we witness a profound display of agape love, the unconditional divine love that our Heavenly Father has for His Son, and by extension for all of us. As a bright cloud envelops the scene, God's voice thunders from above, declaring, "This is my beloved Son, with whom I am well pleased. Listen to him." This powerful proclamation reminds us of the depth of God's love for Jesus and serves as a beacon of hope for our own relationship with the divine. Just as the Father expresses His delight in the Son, He longs to shower us with the same transformation love. When we open our hearts to receive this agape love, we are empowered to reflect it in our own lives, loving others with the same intensity and selflessness. In the bustling city of New Hope, a young social worker named Sarah struggled to connect with the troubled youth she counseled. Despite her best efforts, she felt her words fell on deaf ears, leaving her disheartened and questioning her calling. One stormy evening, as Sarah walked home, she stumbled upon an old, dilapidated church. Seeking shelter, she entered and found herself drawn to a faded stained glass window dictating the transfiguration. As lightning illuminated the scene, the words from Matthew 17:5 seemed to come alive. "This is my beloved Son, with whom I am well pleased. Listen to him." Inspired by this message, Sarah realized she had been approaching her work from the wrong angle. Instead of trying to force change, she needed to embody the unconditional love and acceptance demonstrated in those particular words. The next day, Sarah entered the youth center with a renewed spirit. She began each interaction by truly listening, offering unwavering support and genuine care. Slowly but surely, the teens began to open up, sensing the shift in her approach. As weeks passed, Sarah witnessed remarkable transformations. A once violent boy discovered a talent for art, while a withdrawn girl found her voice through poetry. The center buzzed with newfound energy and hope. Word of Sarah's success spread, and soon other social workers sought her guidance. She shared her experience, emphasizing the power of agape love, selfless, unconditional, and all-encompassing. Years later, at a community celebration, Sarah stood surrounded by the now thriving young adults she had counseled. As she gazed upon their smiling faces, she heard a faint whisper, reminiscent of the stormy night. "Well done, my beloved daughter, and with whom I am well pleased." Sarah's journey had not only transformed countless lives, but had also deepened her own faith and purpose. She became a living testament to the enduring power of agape love, inspiring others to listen, understand, and love unconditionally. Let this verse inspire you to embrace the agape love that surrounds you, knowing that you, too, are beloved and cherished by the Creator of the universe. Hark the whisper of divine decree, a call to listen to truly see, the teachings of Christ a guiding light, illuminating paths once veiled in the night. Attune your heart, your mind, your soul, to God's sweet voice that makes you whole. In silence deep and moments still, align yourself with heaven's will. This journey of faith, a sacred quest, invites you to put love to the test. Embrace the agape, pure and true, for in His grace He reaches you. You are beloved, cherished and dear. To the one who conquers every fear, The Creator love, vast and profound, in every heartbeat it can be found. So listen close with all your might. Let Jesus' words your spirit ignite. For in this calling you will come to know the fullness of the love that God bestows.